First things first, yes, Marvel Rivals is cross-platform, which means you could play with your friends whether they're on PS5, Xbox Series X or S, or if they're playing on PC, yes, you can all play together. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to add them to your friends list. First, what you're going to do is make your way to the upper right-hand corner, and there's an icon right here. This icon is your friend's icon, so you're going to click that, and there is a field right below your name. Click in the field. Now, I'm on PC, so I won't have a type pad that's going to come up and show all the letters and numbers you can use to type in. All I'm going to do is just type the name in right here, and they will populate below. So you're going to type that name in, and you should be able to find your friend right there. Just make sure you have their correct username for Marvel Rivals. Now, you also have the ability to add recent players, and that's right here. And it will show all the recent players that you've played with, and you will have the option to invite them or add them to your friends list. You also have your contacts right here, which will show your friends that have confirmed your friend request or friend requests you have confirmed yourself. Right here, you will have all the friend requests that you've received, and you can accept them all or ignore them all right here, or individually accept them or ignore them right here next to their name. And if you are on console, you will have a fourth option here called Friends on Console, and it will show everyone from your friends list that is currently on Marvel Rivals, and you will have an option to add them as well. Pretty simple. So please like and subscribe if you found this video helpful. It helps me make more videos like this to help you all out, and I'll catch you on the next one.